Good morning, everybody. We're at the 25th annual Raitt Farm Antique Tractor and Engine Show, Elliott, Maine, July 24th, 2021. We'll take a look at some tractors this morning. We're starting at the back today. This is the old Steamroller from the city of Biddeford, Maine. It's pretty neat. And it was made by the Buffalo Springfield Roller Company, Springfield, Ohio. This thing's pretty neat. I believe this was 1934. It was made. Oh, sorry, it's a 1927. And it's powered by a Waukesha 4-cylinder, 10-ton gas. That's pretty neat. We'll walk over here. We'll start with the tractors here. We have a Model 8 Doodlebug. (1952) Massey Harris Model 30. (1922) Fordson. (1945) Ford Ferguson. Got the steel wheels. They didn't have much rubber during the war, so they wore steel wheels. The Minneapolis Moline. (1972) Wheel Horse. The 1952 8N Ford. Farmall A over here. Here we got a before picture. Like a pile of parts. This Ford 900. . 19 Farmall 706. Looks like they're going to be doing some pulling today. Got some weights on. Diesel. This is one of the farm's tractors at the Raitt Farm. It's owned by Tom and Lisa Raitt. It's a 1966 Farmall 1206 diesel. This thing does get worked. You keep it clean. Farmall 340. In 1959. This one looks like a Massey. No ID. Looks like a Massey. It's got the right colors. In 1944 John Deere LA. Nice little cart on the back. Can't really see that. History tractor. Oh, you got the easy start option. Got a Farmall M. Farmall Super A. Very nice. And a Farmall A next to it. Also nice. Like the Super A's got fresher paint. Nice restoration. Both very nice. Move up to the next row here. We got some Oliver tractors representing today. We got another Farmall A in its original clothes. Like it's still working hard. John Deere Model L. Might be an LA. Let's see what the tag says. Nothing on the tag. No, it's Model L. Oliver OC3. Another Oliver. This is one of the farm's tractors. It's got an upgrade with the transmission. Give it some extra gear. Make it a little bit easier to use. You got this one's been working. Couple of Fords. Oh, it's for sale. On a 2N, 1946. There you go. I'd say if this video gets over, a year old, don't call that number. It's probably sold. Check the date on the video before you call. Here we got a Doodlebug. I recognize this front of this as a 40s, 30s to 40s Dodge from the front end here. Has a very nice restoration. Very clean. Very nice. This thing is clean. You can eat off of it. Put a little hitch on the back. Made by Worthington Mower Company. That's a couple of John Deere diesels. Farm All M over here. Very nice. We got a little Farm All 200. Looks like it's still putting in the work. We got a couple of Masseys. Got a 65 over here and a 35 over here. We had a little rain yesterday and some of these are still tarped up. Sure they don't want to sit on a wet seat. We got the over here Alice Chalmers D14. Alice Chalmers is the feature tractor for the show this year. And we have some over here on the front row. Got a nice roto baler on this Alice here. This one's got the second seat. This is one of the farm's tractors. There's a nice B. There's a WD-45 with a loader. It's got a plow on the back. Still ready to work. Some original work clothes on this one. We're still working hard. Some of these, you never know what who made the decision that they were going to retire their tractor and restore it, and the others get to keep on working. You know, they get a fix every now and then, and just keep working, and one day they'll get their turn, I'm sure. Good to see they can do either or. This is one of the farm's tractors. It's a workhorse. This thing runs like a top. One crank. It's a WD. Over here is a farm all H. They're going to be raffling off soon. You can buy tickets here at the show, or you got the option. This little Simplicity 717, nicely restored. Both of these are being auctioned off, or not auctioned off, they're being raffled off. Excuse me. So if you think you might need one of these, you can come buy a ticket. We have some others right here. Yeah, Simplicity 700 with a sickle bar mower. Very nice. Even got the dual rear wheels. Got a wheel horse. And you got a Troy-built Model 2 tiller that they are gonna do a silent auction on this weekend. And we got over here another Alice. It's a nice restored WD-45 that does put in work. Very nice. And we still have more tractors rolling in, so still on the trucks back there, getting them unloaded. So we'll come back later. Alright. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you later.